Hello guys, in the previous video I have taught you that how to make a colorful circle and how to make a duplicate copy of sprite. So today I will teach you that how to add a sound. Okay, so there are many ways to add sound to your Scratch project. Make a script by dragging out. Click on the script to play the project. You will hear different sounds. The sounds of cat, meow, drum beats, cheer. Okay, so let's start. Go to sprites and you can take anything fantastic and you can take anything. Okay, so I will take no, what I take, I will take cat. Okay, so let's start. Go to sounds and go to the motions. Go to motions. Turn 25 steps. Okay, it is 10. We do 25. Steps. Then we do next costumes. So what we do next costumes. So go to motions, goes to looks. Next costume is there only. Yes, there is next costume. Then we do change color effect by 25. Change color effect by 25. Turn 15 degrees. Which is this in motion. Turn 15. So turn 15 degree. Okay. Then say hello friends. So go to looks and now okay, it is typed. And then play sound meow. If you don't want this sound, you can go sound tab, choose sound from library, and in the animal I tag wolf voice. Okay, go to sprites. Let's go to sound and do like this. Okay, and go to events. No, go to controls and repeat for this time. Okay, then wait for 1 second. Wait for 1 second. Then play drum for 52 seconds. Oh, I'm not changing, but you can change. Okay, you can change either 52, 60, 70 or what you want. Okay, let's start. See. It is changing its color, no? So try yours and do better. Okay? Bye guys.